Welcome to Tech and Tutorial Tuesday. I'm Rachel Alexander, founder of Indigo Ray Creative, so let's dive into this tutorial. First step, you're going to need to write out your captions in another note or application, because then you're going to want to go ahead and copy the text that you've written so that you can then paste it into the next application that we're going to be using. In the next step, you're going to visit instaspace.org and enter in your text in the convert text box. In step 3, you're going to press convert text and then grab the text by pressing copy text. So let's see how that's done here. So visit insta-space.org, scroll down, and then please, where it says please place your text here, go ahead and paste your text that you've copied. And then scroll a little bit below and press convert it. And then to the right side, you're going to make sure that your text is the way you want it, and then press copy text. In the final step, you're going to open up Instagram and place your text in the Instagram caption area and post your post. So let's go ahead and open up our Instagram app and then hit the plus sign below and select your photo gallery, and then select the photo that you want to use to post your posts. I'm selecting this one, and then I'm going to hit next, and then I'm going to go ahead and post that caption text that we created. I'm going to hit OK, and then it's that simple. Make sure you've selected the accounts you want to share it to and press share. Now your post is live on your Instagram feed, and it's perfectly formatted in the way that you wrote it in your notes. So there you have it, how to create spaces in your Instagram captions area. So there you have it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Tech and Tutorial Tuesdays.